Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, AI in Finance. Chapter 3. Analyze data in Excel. Analyzing data in Excel using AI in Finance involves leveraging advanced tools and techniques to gain insights, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. Excel's AI features, such as Ideas and Power Query, enhance traditional data analysis by automating complex tasks, identifying trends, and suggesting relevant insights. With Ideas, users can select a dataset and receive automatically generated insights, including patterns, correlations, and trends that might not be immediately apparent. Power Query, on the other hand, allows for efficient data import, transformation, and merging from various sources, streamlining the data preparation process. Furthermore, machine learning models can be integrated into Excel to predict financial outcomes, forecast trends, and assess risks. These AI-driven capabilities empower finance professionals to perform more accurate and comprehensive analyses, leading to better strategic decisions, optimized financial performance, and improved risk management. By utilizing AI tools within Excel, finance teams can enhance their productivity, reduce manual errors, and unlock deeper insights from their data.